Hello students, welcome to our grammar lesson today. I would like to invite you as we journey together towards understanding the adjectives and their typical endings. Remember, before we even dwell into this, I want us to start by defining what an adjective is. Now students, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. This is a word that tells us more about a noun. This is a word that tells us more about a noun. That is an adjective. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. It gives us the attributes of a noun. Now, for example, noticing the emaciated body, he cried. Noticing examples. These are sentential examples. Noticing the emaciated body. Emaciated body. He cried. Noticing the emaciated body, he cried. Number two, we have I love hot tea. Number three, she is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. Number four is she writes legible handwriting. She writes a legible handwriting. Writes legible handwriting. After writing this, you can see that there are some words that tells us more about the noun. These words are in this form. Look at this. Noticing the emaciated body, not any other body. Emaciated, a very devastated state of the body. Emaciated body. It explains more about the noun. At times, adjectives occupy the area before the noun, and at times it occupies the area after the noun. Look at this. I love hot tea. Hot in this case. I love hot tea. Hot tea. Not any other tea, but hot. Now, she is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. Look at this. She writes legible handwriting. She writes legible handwriting. Now, all these underlined words are referred to as adjectives. All these handwriting, all these underlined words are referred to as the adjectives. Now, having said this, the endings of the typical endings of different adjectives depend largely on the root of the word. It depends largely on the root of the word. Sorry for that. On the root of the word, from which they are formed. Most of the adjectives are formed from the nouns. Most of the adjectives are normally formed from nouns as follows. Let us look at this. We have addition. the suffix ish. We have the addition of the suffix ish. For example, boy plus ish becomes boyish. Then we have child plus ish becomes childish. Girl plus ish becomes girlish. A girl plus ish becomes girlish. And then we have a fool plus the suffix ish becomes foolish. Look at this. Boy plus ish. This is a noun. By adding the suffix ish at the end, it gives us boyish. It explains the state or the behavior of a certain person. Child plus ish. This is a noun. As I explained, that most of the adjectives are formed from nouns. By looking at this, boy plus ish becomes boyish. This is the noun. This is the suffix. Noun plus the suffix. Noun boy, suffix ish, boyish. Child plus ish becomes childish. Girl plus ish becomes girlish. Then fool plus ish becomes foolish. Now, this is all about ish, but you can look for more examples. Now, we have this other one on addition of the ye. Addition of ye. Addition of ye. That's not the addition of y, we are saying addition of ye. Now, when we are adding ye, we can have storm plus ye becomes stormy. Blood plus ye becomes bloody. We have dirt plus ye becomes dirty. We can have tide plus ye becomes tidy. Now, we are adding ye to the noun to make to form adjectives. Look at this. Storm plus ye becomes stormy. Blood plus ye becomes bloody. Dirt plus ye becomes dirty. And then tide plus ye becomes tidy. Now, we have, I hope you're following. We have this other one, addition of fool. Addition of fool. For example, when we talk of addition of fool, we have care plus fool becomes careful. Care plus fool becomes careful. We have this other one of play plus fool. We have play plus fool becomes playful. Playful. We have this other one, of we have cup plus full becomes cupful. Becomes cupful. Sorry for this, my marker pen is given. Cup plus full becomes cupful. As you can see, these are, remember we are trying to look at the typical endings of adjectives. The typical endings of adjectives, as we can see, the first three that we've handled. Look at this, ish, and then ye, and then full. So that is cupful. So all that, as you have seen, is always, those are the typical endings. Those are the typical endings of adjectives. Those are the typical endings of adjectives. Those are the typical endings of adjectives. And these typical endings of adjectives, as you can see, they normally help the noun to form the adjective. They help the noun to form the adjective. Look at this. These are the parts of addition of some. 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 For example, addition of some like trouble. Trouble plus some. Trouble plus some becomes trouble plus some becomes troublesome. It becomes troublesome. We have these are the one, or plus some. Or plus some becomes awesome. It becomes awesome. We have the typical ending number 5 of addition of less. Addition of the suffix less. Addition of the suffix less. Addition of the suffix less, we have care plus less. Care plus less becomes care plus less becomes careless. Care plus less becomes careless. Care plus less becomes careless. And then we have this other one, shame plus less. Shame plus less becomes shameless. Shame plus less becomes shameless. It becomes shameless. We have this other one, typical ending number 6. We have addition of en. Addition of en. Addition of suffix en. Addition of suffix en. We have gold. Gold plus en becomes golden. Gold plus en becomes golden. Yes, gold plus en becomes golden. We have silk. Silk plus en becomes silken. Silk plus en becomes silken. We have addition of O's, addition of O's, addition of O's, addition of O's. Addition of O's, this one becomes, addition of O's becomes, for example, glory, glory plus O's becomes glorious. Becomes glorious. We have these other one, courage, courage plus O's becomes courageous. 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 Now, I hope we are following, because these are very interesting topic on adjectives and their typical endings. Adjectives plus their typical endings. Adjectives plus their typical endings. These are the one. We have addition of ly, addition of ly, addition of ly. When we have addition of ly, for example, we have king plus ly, then queen plus ly. Look at that very, very closely. King plus ly becomes kingly. King plus ly becomes kingly. Queen plus ly becomes queenly. Queen plus ly becomes queenly. Then we have addition of able, addition of able, addition of able, addition of able. When you have addition of able, we can have addition of able. We have pardon plus able. Then we have this other one of fashion, fashion plus able. These two, we have pardon plus able becomes pardonable. Fashion plus able becomes fashionable. Fashionable. Fashion plus able becomes fashionable. That is addition of able. Then we have addition of ed. Addition of ed. Addition. Sorry for that, addition of ed. When you add ed, look at this. Gift. Gift plus ed. Then we have disease. Disease plus ed. Gift plus ed becomes gifted. Deceased plus ed becomes deceased. Now, follow me in this very, very keenly as we traverse together and get the other typical endings. We are getting on well with our discussion. Other typical endings of adjectives are, for example, adjectives that addition of some typical endings like less to verbs. You can also add typical endings like less to verbs. For example, tire plus less becomes tireless. Tireless. Prayer, pray. Note this one. This one is a bit complicated. No, not complicated. Look at this. Pray plus less. Doesn't fall under verbs. It falls under the noun. We have cease. You cease doing something. Plus less becomes ceaseless. Cease plus less becomes ceaseless. We have this other one of addition of active, addition of ative to verbs. These ones we are talking about verbs. You add addition of active or ative. Addition of ative. Addition of ative. Look at this. When there is addition of ative, we have words like talk. Talk plus ative becomes talkative. We also have conserve plus ative becomes conserve plus ative becomes conservative. Conservative. We have addition of able to verbs. Addition of able. Addition of able. Addition of able. Addition of able. We have, for example, when we add able. Look at this. Addition of able. Addition of able. Addition of able. Yes. Addition of able. When you have addition of able, we have move. Move. We have move plus able becomes movable. Move plus able becomes movable. Movable. Move plus able becomes movable. We have the other one of recover plus able. Recover plus able becomes recoverable. Recoverable. Recover plus able becomes recoverable. When we have all that, recover plus able becoming recoverable, we have now understood that we can form adjectives by having some typical endings added to verbs. We can have adjectives by adding some typical endings to verbs. Let me now move on and talk about something connected to the same. Something connected to the same area. Look at this. We have this other one. Addition of some other forms. Like you can form adjectives from other adjectives by adding addition of al, formation of adjectives from adjectives. Addition of al. Look at this. We can have mystic plus al becomes mystical. We can have also black. We can have under mystical. That is the only word that can have al. We can have addition of ish to other adjectives to form adjectives. Addition of ish. Addition of ish, for example, black plus ish becomes blackish. Black plus ish becomes blackish. Yellow plus ish becomes yellowish. Yellow plus ish becomes yellowish. That is very, very important. And then addition of ly. Addition of ly. When you add ly to other adjectives, we can form other adjectives. For example, sick. When somebody is sick plus ly, that becomes sickly. We have kind plus ly. Kind plus ly becomes kindly. Kind plus ly becomes kindly. Then we also have addition of some. Addition of some. Addition of some here, you can add some to all plus some becomes wholesome. Then we can add 3 plus some becomes threesome. Then we have addition of fold. Addition of fold. Let me do that under here. Addition of fold. When we add fold, we can add to 3 plus fold becomes 3 fold. Fold plus 3 plus fold becomes 3-fold. 10 plus fold becomes 10-fold. Yes, 10 plus fold becomes tenfold. Now, up to that extent, I want to give some assignments as I thank you for being my audience. Let me give the assignments. I want you to form adjectives of your own choice from the following parts of speech. Number one, you form your adjectives of your own choice from the following parts of speech: from nouns, from verbs, and from adjectives. And then, after forming the nouns, you indicate the root and the suffix ending in each of the words. And then another thing is, add suitable endings to the words listed in order to form adjectives. These words that are listed are as follows. The words that are listed are as follows. We have ma, we have state, we have a boy, we have commit, we have you, look at this. Look at these words very, very keenly. You will realize that they have typical endings. And for your own good, I would like you to really go down and do them. And our way of doing them, you pause the program, do them, and then get back to the program for answers. The answers to this, we have, you add y. And then state, you add ly. It becomes stately. And then boy, you add ish, becomes boyish. And then commit, you add committed. Boy, you add commitment. And then youth, you add full, become youthful. Up to that extent, as good students, I would like to thank you all for being my audience, as I wish you a prosperous education journey and a prosperous future ahead. Thank you so much.